Welcome to IQD Dinar News, your go-to source for the latest updates on currency exchange rates, revaluation news, and insights into the Iraqi dinar. Stay informed and ahead of the curve with our timely analysis and breaking developments. The evolution of electronic payment systems has marked a significant transformation in how individuals and businesses conduct financial transactions. As technology continues to advance, the adoption of electronic payment methods has become increasingly vital. One of the key developments in this landscape is the introduction of globally usable debit cards by banks. This advancement is not just a minor shift, it represents a paradigm change in financial accessibility, efficiency, and convenience. To fully understand the implications of this shift, it is important to explore the reasons behind the delayed issuance of these debit cards, the mechanics of how they function, and their broader impact on the economy and society. Historically, banks have been slow to adopt innovative payment solutions, often due to regulatory constraints, technological challenges, and the need to secure systems against fraud and cyber threats. However, as consumer demand for convenient and efficient payment methods has surged, banks are now compelled to adapt to this changing landscape. The recent announcement about banks finally issuing globally usable debit cards signifies the culmination of years of planning, development, and regulatory navigation. These cards are designed to facilitate transactions not only within domestic markets but also across international borders, providing users with the ability to conduct business and make purchases in a variety of currencies. The release of these cards is a response to a growing consumer expectation for flexibility and ease of access when managing finances, especially as global commerce continues to expand. The operational mechanics of these debit cards are crucial to understanding their impact. When a consumer uses a debit card for a transaction, the rate applied to that transaction is determined at the point of sale, specifically when the transaction is processed at the bank. This means that there is no fixed rate associated with the card itself. Instead, the rate is influenced by various factors, including real-time currency exchange rates. Consumers will not see a predetermined rate on their cards. Instead, they will experience the fluctuations of the market in real time as they conduct transactions. This dynamic can create both advantages and challenges for users. On one hand, the ability to use a card that reflects the current market rate can provide more favorable terms compared to traditional methods of currency exchange, which often include hidden fees and poor rates. Users can potentially benefit from better rates during favorable market conditions. On the other hand, the unpredictability of exchange rates can lead to uncertainty and potential losses, particularly for those who are not well versed in currency fluctuations. The rate itself is controlled by the currency exchange market or the Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, if the card is linked to it. This means that banks must ensure that their systems are tightly integrated with these institutions to provide accurate and efficient transaction processing. The importance of this integration cannot be overstated. It is what allows for the seamless conversion of currencies at the time of the transaction, ensuring that users are getting the most accurate representation of the market. The implications of these advancements extend beyond mere convenience for consumers. The introduction of globally usable debit cards is likely to have a significant impact on international trade, travel, and tourism. For instance, businesses that engage in cross-border transactions will find these cards invaluable as they streamline the payment process. Companies can reduce the complexities and costs associated with international transactions, making it easier to do business globally. For travelers, these debit cards represent a new level of financial freedom. individuals can now carry a single card that allows them to make purchases and withdraw cash in various currencies without needing to carry multiple cards or cash in different currencies. This reduces the risk associated with traveling with large sums of money and provides greater safety and convenience. Additionally, the increased use of electronic payments can contribute to greater financial inclusion, particularly in developing regions. Many individuals and small businesses lack access to traditional banking services, but the availability of debit cards can help bridge this gap. By leveraging mobile technology and electronic payments, banks can reach previously underserved populations, allowing them to participate more fully in the economy. The rise of electronic payment methods and globally usable debit cards also raises important questions about privacy, security, and consumer protection. As financial transactions increasingly move online, the risk of cyber threats and fraud grows. It is essential for banks to invest in robust security measures to protect users' sensitive information and ensure that transactions are safe and secure. Regulatory frameworks will also need to evolve to address the challenges and opportunities presented by these new payment methods. Policymakers must strike a balance between encouraging innovation in the financial sector and protecting consumers from potential abuses and risks. This may involve implementing stronger regulations around data privacy, fraud prevention, and dispute resolution mechanisms to ensure that consumers are adequately protected in the digital payment landscape. As electronic payment methods become more prevalent, public awareness and education will be critical. Consumers must understand how these systems work, the potential risks involved, and how to use them responsibly. Financial literacy initiatives will play an essential role in empowering individuals to navigate this new landscape, ensuring they can make informed decisions about their finances. In conclusion, the introduction of globally usable debit cards marks a significant milestone in the evolution of electronic payment systems. While this advancement offers numerous benefits in terms of convenience, efficiency, and accessibility, it also presents challenges that must be addressed to ensure a safe and equitable financial environment. As technology continues to shape the future of payments, ongoing collaboration between banks, regulators, and consumers will be essential to harness the full potential of these innovations. The future of electronic payments is bright, and with continued investment and awareness, we can look forward to a more interconnected and efficient global economy. Thanks for tuning in to IQD Dinar News. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more updates on the Iraqi dinar and global currency trends, hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.